Soleil's Online Money, where we teach ourselves how to make money passively. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you are notified every time we drop new videos. Today we shall be looking at Google products. How much of Google products do you know? Do you know that you can make money from some of Google products? Browsing through all the Google products, we have three categories. We have the product for all, we have the product for business, and then we have products for developers. If a look at some of these products showed us that there are some of them that you can actually make money from if you know how to use it right. The first one is on Google sites. That's for some of us that run affiliate marketing, and then we have funnel pages. We have to host as funnel pages on some sites. We can also do this with the aid of Google sites. All you just have to do is just to host your funnels with these products, with these Google products. And then also you have the Google Translate. So many times a lot of people who are on Upwork, Fiverr, Latium, and some of them are getting jobs for which they know nothing about. All they do is just to get the job and then put them on Google Translate to help them do these translations, and then they earn money for them. So Google Translate is also one of the products, Google products, for which you can make money from. Another of these products, of their products, is YouTube. Of course, you all know that you can also monetize your YouTube and then make money from videos that you have posted on them. Another of their products is Google Admob. This Google Admob is found with the Google for Business. You find it under Google Business. Now, Google Admob is specifically for those that have mobile applications, for developers that have mobile apps. You have developed mobile apps and you feel that you can earn money with them. Admob is one of those ways you can make money. All you just have to do is just to register with them, and then they evaluate your app, and then once it's accepted, you start receiving ads on your app, and then you make money from them. Another product is also Google AdSense. On AdSense, this is for those that have websites. You have a website and then you feel that you want advertisement to be run on your pages, on your website. Google AdSense is a good way for doing that. Maybe you have a blog, you have a website, shopping site, or whatever it is. Google AdSense will do that for you. Now, I mentioned blog. If you need a blog, of course, Blogger is one of the products of Google, where you can create your blog and then operate your blog free of charge. For you to make money with Blogger, you need to have a lot of traffic. So because the amount you earn is dependent on the amount of traffic that you are able to pull. Now, another of their products is Google Business. Google Business, you can host your business on Google or business profile. This is one I created for someone, and then you got to upload your pictures, and then they do the adverts for you. And so every time people are searching for products, they use the opportunity of providing your own products with that search that has been made. And another product is you can make money with Google Ads, and the Google Ads Manager is also helping you to do that. A complete platform to grow ad revenue and protect your brand whenever people are watching, playing, or engaging. For Google Ads, there are times that even for those of us that are doing affiliate marketing, there are times that you can do targeted advertisements. You know exactly what you are marketing, maybe for a product. All you just have to do is just to come into Google Ads, and then you sign in, and then create an advertisement for which you will be charged. And then as people are searching for specific products, they list your own ads as part of those that are presented for those kind of people. You observe that sometimes when you are searching some things on Google, the first two or three results that you see, will be captured with ads, and this is one of the things that you can use Google Ads for. Now, another of their product is Google Trends. You just wonder, oh, what is Google Trend? Yeah, Google Trend is very good for some of us that are, particularly for even bloggers, for YouTubers. You use Google Trend to find out exactly what people are searching for your per region. You know, you search, from the Google Trends, you're able to see some of the items that people are searching for in your region. You can change the region here, pick any of the countries, any region, particularly any country you want, and then it will change the information that is available. I mean, the trend in that particular area is going to bring it for you. So, if you know how to use some of these products, well, you might be able to earn a lot of money. Some of these products might not be used alone. You might use them together. Like for instance, Google Analytics. I jumped that the other time. Analytics, it helps you to analyze the traffic that is coming to your site, and then you can use your Google Analytics with your AdSense, your blogger, and some of these products, and it's going to earn you money. This is where I'm going to stop today. If you want me to elaborate on all these Google products that I've talked about, please ensure to contact me. If you have any questions, drop your questions, your comment in the description box below. I'll be very happy to read and get back to you. Thank you so much. I wish you the best.